Hey everybody, today we are talking about the landscape project process. This is an exciting part of our business that we really love. We have so many services that we offer inside of this, from sod to irrigation to lanai lighting to landscaping to landscape lighting. The services inside of this, curbing, is so built out, and it's a full from the road to the very back of the property service where we can do all kinds of different project design installation pieces for you. And today we're going over how that project starts all the way to finish. So the first thing that happens is the appointment setup for the initial consult. This is however you would like and whatever is easiest. We've got it set up on our website so you can submit a quote form. You can call into the office, whatever is convenient, so you can get set up with the right estimator for your specific job. From that point, we have built out a portfolio. So now, and we're gonna actually put this in the comments of the video, so if you wanna check out our portfolio that's ever kind of growing and changing, it's got stuff from all the little different things we do to help homeowners have an idea from the time we set the appointment to we actually go out and meet them, give them an idea of the services we do, what it looks like, and what some of those options are, so they can have a better idea of what it is they're truly wanting and what some of what they're wanting might look like, all the way from plants to curbs to lights to lanai lights to dock lights to all of these different things, sod installations, beds, trees, anything. Help you get that idea so when you get into it, the more educated you can be when we get out there and we go through the consult, the better. And so from setting that appointment, we go straight into that consult phase where we go over every single thing you may want. Sometimes homeowners have a lot of ideas on what they want, and sometimes people need a lot and want a lot of input and guidance. So we're there to serve whatever the need is, to try to figure out what the true problem we're trying to fix is, and give you all the feedback we can to really set you up for success and get us on the path to building and designing the correct project for you. But before we actually get to design and or build, the first part of that is putting together an estimate for you. A lot of times when we're out on a project and we're going over it, we can give you a rough price. Some projects we can give you a really close rough price, or we give you a range to help establish where we're at. Some homeowners are very open and understanding of what they want to spend. Some people are trying to figure out what their budget actually is, and it's our goal on that appointment, on that consult, to give numbers so we can understand, is your budget going to be what it takes to build this project, and or do we need to tweak this project and make some changes to make it fit the budget of what we're wanting to spend for this specific thing. So we will take all the information we gathered on site, go and put an estimate together, and we do this very quickly so you can have a quick turnaround. We give you the rough numbers on site, then we get the budget put together and the estimate put together, and we send that off to you to make sure that is something you want to do and it fits within the budget you're wanting to spend, and see if we need to make any other tweaks. And from there, that gets accepted, and then we move into design phase where we have the 2D plans that we're going to use to install the project and give more layout guidelines and visual of what this is going to look like, one for the homeowner, two for the team, so everyone is on the same page and we can get consistent results every time. From there, we flow right into the production phase, which the team goes out, they make the install happen, they work on this project. One thing about our company, we're very specific about trying to stay on one project at a time, so we don't break ground on this one just to get stuff started. We start a project and finish it. Now, there are situations where you have to order material, or there's weather that's causing certain pieces to be delayed, that we have to start other stuff. But the procedure here is to not just get a bunch of stuff started, it is to get a bunch of stuff started and finished, rather than just having stuff hang open forever. We know that no one likes a demolition project, installation, construction going on their house for an extended amount of time. So we try to shorten that gap, because everything we do is all about providing the best service for all of our clients. And finally, to provide that best service is the final part of this, and it is the QC, the walkthrough, the final evaluation of the project to make sure everyone is satisfied, all the documents are signed off, that this is good, there are no questions, there are no punch lists, because we realize if we don't follow up on all the little details, check all the little boxes, it's so easy with so many variables for something to go unseen or unnoticed. And this is our opportunity to wrap it up, make sure you're perfectly satisfied, be there to answer questions and get feedback, and have another extremely happy client that we look forward to working with again in the future. So this is the process here at Scooter's Lawn Care, from start of making the appointment down to the QC and the final handoff and send off, another happy client that we hope to work with and do other projects for in the future. And we cannot wait to meet you.